Hello, everyone. Today we will learn some important phrase with their meaning and example. 1. Bite the bullet. Meaning, to do something difficult or unpleasant that is unavoidable. Example, I had to bite the bullet and tell my boss I made a mistake on the project. 2. Burn the midnight oil. Meaning, to work late into the night. Example, with the deadline tomorrow, she's been burning the midnight oil to finish her presentation. 3. The ball is in your court. Meaning, it's your turn to take action or make a decision. Example, I've given you all the details. Now the ball is in your court to decide what to do next. 4. Caught between a rock and a hard place. Meaning, facing a situation where there are two difficult choices. Example, she was caught between a rock and a hard place when deciding whether to stay in her job or move abroad for a new opportunity. 5. Hit the nail on the head. Meaning, to say or do something exactly right. Example, when you mentioned that better communication could solve the issue. You hit the nail on the head. 6. Let the cat out of the bag. Meaning, to accidentally reveal a secret. Example, he let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party when he asked her what time she'd arrive. 7. A blessing in disguise. Meaning, something that seems bad at first but turns out to be good. Example, losing that job was a blessing in disguise. It pushed me to start my own business. 8. Throw in the towel. Meaning, to give up or admit defeat. Example, after several failed attempts, he finally threw in the towel and decided to try a different strategy. 9. On cloud 9. Meaning, extremely happy or delighted. Example, she was on cloud 9 after hearing she got the promotion. 10. Kill two birds with one stone. Meaning, to achieve two things with a single action. Example, by cycling to work, he kills two birds with one stone, saving money and getting exercise. 11. Break the ice. Meaning, to start a conversation in a social setting and make people feel comfortable. Example, to break the ice at the meeting, she shared a funny story about her weekend. 12. Spill the beans. Meaning, to reveal a secret or confidential information. Example, don't spill the beans about the surprise party before her birthday. Add fuel to the fire. Meaning, to make a bad situation worse. Example, when he started arguing back, it just added fuel to the fire. Hit the ground running. Meaning, to begin something with immediate energy and enthusiasm. Example, she hit the ground running on her first day at the new job, completing 3 tasks before noon. Steal someone's thunder. Meaning, to take credit for someone else's idea or success. Example, she was upset when her colleague stole her thunder during the presentation. Cry over spilled milk. Meaning, to complain about something that cannot be changed. Example, the mistake is done, there's no point crying over spilled milk. Burn bridges. Meaning, to ruin relationships or connections with people. Example, be careful not to burn bridges when leaving a job. You might need their help in the future. Every cloud has a silver lining. Meaning, there is always something positive in a negative situation. Example, losing my wallet was frustrating, but every cloud has a silver lining. I met someone kind who helped me. Barking up the wrong tree. Meaning, to pursue the wrong course of action. Example, if you think I took your book, you're barking up the wrong tree. I don't have it. Pull yourself together. meaning to calm down and regain control of your emotions. Example, after hearing the bad news, she had to pull herself together before talking to her team. A dime a dozen, meaning very common and not valuable. Example, in this town, coffee shops are a dime a dozen. You will find one on every corner. Cut corners, meaning to do something in a cheaper or easier way that reduces quality. Example, if you cut corners on this project, the results won't meet the standards we need. Under the weather, meaning feeling sick or unwell. Example, I won't be coming to the office today. I'm feeling under the weather. Keep your chin up, meaning stay positive and optimistic despite difficulties. Example, I know things are tough now, but keep your chin up, it will get better soon. The elephant in the room, meaning a major issue that everyone is avoiding or ignoring. Example, we need to address the elephant in the room, the budget cuts affecting our team. Face the music, meaning to accept the consequences of your actions. Example, after skipping classes for weeks, he had to face the music when his grades came out. Beat around the bush, meaning to avoid talking directly about something. Example, stop beating around the bush and tell me what you really think. Throw caution to the wind, meaning to take a risk and act without worrying. Example, they decided to throw caution to the wind and invest all their savings in the new business. Hit the jackpot, meaning to achieve great success or win something big. Example, he hit the jackpot when he landed that high-paying job in his dream company. Cost an arm and a leg, meaning to be extremely expensive. Example, that luxury vacation cost an arm and a leg, but it was worth it.